Spotify has been an amazing way for me to reconnect with so many, people that I've worked with over the years. और कुछ लोग तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अ, उन्होंने अपना पोटेंशियल जब मैं उनको जानता था तब वो ऐसे उभर रहे थे और जब मैं उनके लाइफ से बहुत दूर चले गया और फिर उनको बड़े पर्दे पर देखने लगे तो ऐसा चले गए ऊपर एंड टुडे ऑन स्टार से बातें साई तामड़कर such a talented performer and not just that, such a talented sportsman. Sai, thank you so much for joining me.
Always a pleasure, Salil. Always a pleasure. After a very long time.
I remember, I must say this. The faintest memory of Sai is at a party. It was a Ekta Kapoor party years ago.
Oh God.
मैं कोने में खड़ा हूँ and Sai Tamadkar is a brilliant dancer. किसी को पता ही था और Sai ऐसे move कर रही है and she was the cat's whiskers, years back. That is my last image of you, Sai. Not the star and not the बड़े पर्दे पर.
तब देखा cut to अभी.
So, but before we go, dance was something and move. You always very groovy with the music. ये बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है आपकी लाइफ का, right?
जी हाँ, और जब आप उस ग्रूव्स को 1 2 3 4 या 5 6 7 8 में बांध दो तो ये बंदी हो जाती है डिस्लेक्सिक. उसको समझ नहीं आता है क्या करना है.
Oh, so you listen to the music. You don't do 1 2 3 4. ऐसा
No.
है?
Yes.
Oh wow. My wife is like that. She also says मेरे को सुनाओ स्क्रिप्ट या फिर
बीट
सुनाओ.
Exactly. So I am like that. थोड़ा मुश्किल जाता है, वो तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा. बहुत गैप्स के बाद डांस करती हूँ मैं मूवीज में.
but you're a very good dancer also. There's something about
of course.
नहीं हम लोग because also at a time ये 10-12 साल पहले की स्टोरी है, शायद लोग नहीं पता को नहीं पता है. At that time I think that you were still finding your feet.
Yes,
कि क्या मुझे करना है नहीं करना है. बिल्कुल
जी, बिल्कुल. अब बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने.
2007-8 was a very interesting year because 2009 में टेलीविजन में भी बहुत चेंजेस आए और उसके बाद बहुत लोग छोड़ के चले गए. And it almost seems कि कुछ साल के बाद you just totally went in a different direction.
I was a newbie and I had no idea about this world, how it works, कैमरा के सामने कैसे खड़े होना होता है, कुछ आइडिया नहीं था. And it has been a fantastic journey. I mean, एक चीज का भी मुझे रिग्रेट नहीं है या एक चीज भी मुझे ऐसी नहीं लगती कि अरे ये अगर अलग हुआ होता तो. ऐसा नहीं है. So I think that's magical.
Is that the reason why you think you're a better performer? बहुत सारे लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि क्योंकि जिन्होंने ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली होती है, they just react according to the situation. कई बार जो बड़े मेथड एक्टर्स आ जाते हैं या फिर जिन्होंने टीवी बहुत ज्यादा किया होता है, वो उनके दिमाग में पैटर्न सेट हो जाता है. They found it very difficult to sort of switch mediums, and you find it quite easily. Even I remember how natural you were in Hunter. Unfortunately, I have not seen enough of your Marathi films, but so many people have told me so many great things about you. But even in Hunter, Hunter was a very interesting concept also to do. So you were so natural. Yeah. Have you always been like this since then? जब से तुम स्क्रीन के सामने आ गई थी, स्टार्टिंग का तो छोड़ दो, बट 1-2 साल के बाद.
आज आप मुझे बहुत इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करा रहे हो, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I don't know, Salil. I think as a person also I am a very instinctive person. So when I stand in front of the camera also sometimes जो मैं decide करती हूँ वो कभी होता ही नहीं है. Pankaj ji had said very interesting thing कि उन्होंने बोला था हर शॉट के बाद ना एक्टर को ऐसा लगता है कि अरे थोड़ा बेटर हो जाता तो पंकज जी ने कहा था वो उस टाइम का सच होता है. As long as it is such, it is going to connect to the audience. Yeah. So मुझे पता नहीं कि what works, but I know for sure when I am standing in front of the camera, मैं 100% उधर होती हूँ. I live in that moment, so I think that's why it works, or it is just my style. I don't know, but that's how I roll.
But अच्छी बात, what is the beauty? I think the current generation of work that is happening, I think suits your style. If you had gone back, say, maybe 10 years in Bollywood, na, it would have been very different. You would have been typecast, maybe. Maybe you could have got typecast. I think now is like a perfect time. For you, timing was brilliant. But let me roll back the clock. I did not know that you were such a accomplished sportsman. मतलब क्या level के, अब मेरे को समझ में आया why you so fit और कैसे इतनी आसानी से सारी body बन जाती है. मतलब you should have gone. Do you think that you should have gone to a higher level?
Yes, मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि मैं कबड्डी I should have gone. I would have gone places. मैंने अगर seriously ये sport लिया होता तो even boxing. I think when I was learning, when I was learning boxing, my trainer said, आप एक स्टेट लेवल का मैच खेलो ना. मैंने बोला यार इधर कुछ हो गया तो मेरा जिंदगी भर यही मैच खेलते ही रहना पड़ेगा मुझे. But you know, sports are amazing. I think they are like workshops or they are like military trainings. मतलब यहाँ से भी आप train होते हो, यहाँ से भी train होते हो. It's just amazing.
Being a sportsman also a huge amount of discipline and also teaches you how to deal with disappointment. I think हमारी इंडस्ट्री में लोग ये नहीं समझ पाते कि कितना डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हमें फेस करना पड़ता है, कितने बदलाव लाने पड़ते हैं. सो when you were training to be a sportsman, were you like a brilliant student also, या फिर आप वो स्टूडेंट थे जो स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत अच्छे थे? So you were getting all the right sports quota में everywhere. Which student were you?
नहीं, मैं दोनों में अच्छी थी.
अरे
मैं मैथ में बहुत खराब थी, बेकार. मतलब
अच्छा.
कुछ नहीं समझ में आता था मुझे, कुछ भी नहीं, nothing, zero, nada. But yeah, I used to love languages. I was good at languages and I was good at sports.
So now when you say you're not good at maths, who does the mathematics money wise numbers now for you? ताकि वो मैथ सही हो जाए.
क्रेडिट डेबिट का मैथ बिल्कुल पक्का समझ में आता है. उससे अलग कुछ सिलेबस है तो I go a little helter skelter, but ठीक है, मैनेज अब तक मैनेज करती आई हूँ तो I think I must be doing something right.
You of course you're doing a lot of things right. When you see the current scenario, you know, cinema is changing every day, you know, and I think the current youth that is consuming, जैसे even podcasts. मुझे याद है कि जब हमने podcast की शुरुआत भी की थी 1.5-2 साल पहले, it was just starting. People wanted big names. Then those big names changed. तो उनको समझ में आया कि the youth that is 13, 14, 17, 20 wants inspirational stories. So it's very difficult to confirm which content to use. Now when you're performing also, you know, when you're an actress, have you now seen a huge shift in the kind of content being offered to you also? फिर उसके हिसाब से तुम छाट पाते हो, whether it's in Marathi cinema or whether it's in Hindi cinema. Are you noticing a huge shift in the kind of content being offered to you and the roles being offered?
100%. There's a huge change. It's a good change. Because of OTT, we are not scared to experiment, and I think वो कहीं films बनाते वक्त भी reflect करेगा, और अगर करे तो I think it'll be wonderful. And also we should remember that now we are standing equally with the world content. So बहुत आगे स्पीड से भाग रहे हैं सब लोग. So I think हाँ definitely है, पर कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि sometimes they still, you know, want to bring me back to the image that has been created, bold and bindas, and मतलब इन शब्दों का अब वजन इतना कम हो चुका है मेरे लिए. They have been overused. They have lost their charm. So I think that's the only one thing that bothers me sometimes. But yeah, things are changing rapidly, and for good reasons.
But these words also defined you smashing stereotypes in Marathi cinema. जो आपने मराठी सिनेमा में कर दिया. See, regional का always ये होता था कि content heavy, dark, you know, glamorous नहीं हो सकता. That's when I saw one poster and I said, hey, ये this is the Sai. So I said, this is fantastic. But did you not think what people would say? या फिर, you know, because Marathi cinema was never conservative, but Marathi cinema was very far ahead, but people used to have their own perceptions about it. So you did not think about.
Of course, I am, you know, you correctly said that it helped me to smash these stereotypes. पर मतलब वही नहीं है ना, हम लोग ने बहुत काम किया ना, अलग 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 अलग, तो वो भी देखना चाहिए. एक बार वो स्टैंप लग गया तो there is no other adjective or what when you hear my name. ऐसा होता है मुझे. So
really?
you know that, of course, that has started bothering me now because probably I've matured. मेरे भी thinking में, मेरे भी काम करने में और एक dimension add हो गया होगा, नहीं हुआ होगा, I don't know. But yeah, this exists and sometimes it bothers me. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि I'm going to prove myself with every project. That's my intention. So I'm not going to get bogged down. But yeah, थोड़ा सा तकलीफ वाला मामला है.
But when it did happen at that time, the sensation that it created, were you shocked at how much it helped Marathi cinema? I think that it was able to reach a, I wouldn't say wider audience, but it was able to say that, oh, they also make similar cinema यार, सबका same है. ऐसा नहीं, because regional में क्या होता था, lower budget की है और content बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन आप lower budget बना रहे हो. When I saw your films and I saw some other artists also, and I said, अरे ये तो they are spending the same amount of money. And in Marathi cinema also there was a lot. Swapnil was doing a very good job, but the male oriented बहुत होता. So I think you were able to bring that. So when you were, I wouldn't say fighting your way through, but was it all very easy? How did that entire transformation happen? You know, that entire project, yes, remake of No Entry, but all those kind of the situation surrounding it.
To be very honest, I did not think much, honestly, because sometimes when you think, you get confused. And I did not want to do that. And I was very happy. Unless you do something new, how will you know that, you know, whether it will be appreciated or you will be smashed for it, whatever. So I think मैंने कहा कि मैंने सोचा ठीक है, this has been offered to me, let's try this. इतना ही था. You know, I never thought कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. Because if I have decided to do something now, I've decided to do something, I should be able to own whatever comes my way. And that's what I did. And that's what I've been doing. So I think, yeah, sometimes you should just do what you really, really feel like doing. And regardless of what people are going to say or how is it going to go with your career.
No, people say, how did the industry react to it? Matlab, was it like, wow, and Babakar, and this is the new sensation? ऐसा था या फिर skeptical थे लोग?
नहीं, a lot of people call me gutsy. Matlab, I never saw that as being gutsy. I just saw that मतलब मुझे यही लगा कि ये कभी किसी ने किया नहीं, let's try this out. और अब लड़की अगर स्विमिंग पूल से बाहर आ रही है तो वो स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम ही पहनेगी ना. It was that simple. It was that basic, you know, for me.